Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits. Today we're taking a look at the Echo Flex. This thing was on sale for 15 Canadian rupees with free shipping, so I was like, yeah, gotta take a look. Gotta take a look. And it is so much smaller than advertised. That's what she said, but really, it's smaller than I thought it would be. I'm amazed that it came in this little itty-bitty box. But let's see what we get in here for 15 bucks. Okay, not bad. That thing looks bigger out of the box. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. It does seem a little bit bigger once you get out of the box. And, on button. That's your little itty-bitty speaker. But the speaker is so small. This thing is seriously so small. I just can't get over it. One of the awesome parts about this is that you can buy third-party devices to plug into the bottom of it. And Amazon's letting people do that. There's a motion detector and lots of fun stuff. Oh my god, guys. This thing has a 3.5 mil audio out. I'm pretty sure that the Alexa Mini, it also does. Oh my god, guys, that is so cool. You can hook this into another speaker. Alright, let's plug this thing in and see what she says. She turned blue. That's a good sign. Okay, so I got this thing online, and I gotta say, I'm both a little bit spooked and really impressed with the way that all of my Amazon things seem to get shipped to me with my name on them. So these things are programmed. They take these things out of the box, they program them, they put them back in, and they ship them out. That is freaking amazing. It just kind of blows me away, and it works so nicely, so now I don't have to do crazy things to get this thing going. All that I had to do to get this thing going was download the Alexa app, and then I'm good to go.
I'll need your name. I found a few in this account. Say yes if you hear yours. Is this Navan?
Yes. Play music by Ozzy Osbourne.
Shuffling songs by Ozzy Osbourne on Amazon Music.
Man, that speaker is small. I don't think Alexa likes Guns N' Roses very much. Suddenly, she ain't doing so hot. Oh, sweet, you can actually use that as a phone charger, too. Cool. What's wrong with my Alexa?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
Yeah, but what's wrong with her? I done killed Alexa with rock and roll music, the devil's music. Okay, so the output in this thing is 5 volts, 1.5 milliamps. 1.5 amps.
What song always gets chickens dancing at a wedding? The Y. NCA.
Lol. I wonder what this thing looks like on the inside. Bit of percussive maintenance never hurt anyone. Or maybe it hurt a lot of people. One or the other. Yeah, alright, let's tear it down. Haha, they think Torx can stop me, do they? Alright, I finally got her open. Look at all them heat shields. Doesn't really show me much. Got one USB. Let's get a look at that board. Let's see if I can get us a closer look at any of this. Oh my god, guys, it's a MediaTek ARM chip. This thing's got an ARM chip. MediaTek ARM. That is ARM. It looks like it's ARM. There's an ARM chip in here, guys. That's freaking crazy. I guess it shouldn't be so. There's another ARM chip. Yeah. I bet that's, I believe that's a Memorex. Come on. Autofocus. Here, I'll go for a closer, more stable shot. The itty-bitty speaker is right under there. I should say that these sides pop right out. If you need to be getting this low, you're probably repairing something that's so small you might as well buy another one of these unit, bud. I just really, really want to see this. Oh my god! That speaker's so small! That is so tiny. This is smaller than the speakers that they put on the tiny Lenovo systems. Just a little bit smaller, I think. You get the pickups right down here. That's interesting. That's so small. I'm pretty sure that all the Sonic anti-mouse things that you get around here, that they have a bigger speaker than this. That's freaking amazing. I'm not really so interested in the back part. I think all the meat and potatoes, that's going to be power supply in there, and I'm not so interested in that. But this, 2 ARM chips, interesting. And then, of course, the speaker. That is so cool. So it's an itty bitty speaker. Honorable mention to the heatsink stuff. Yeah, Alexa thought she was hot and tight, but that's nothing a whole bunch of prying couldn't take care of. There's yeah, you might want to take that screw out first, though. It'll make it a lot easier. Just like new. And now to return this. I'm just kidding. I'm not one of those people. You feeling?
I'm feeling inspired by Aviation History Month. In 1910, British Columbian William Wallace Gibson designed and built the first successful Canadian aircraft engine. It went on to be installed in an aircraft later that year. Now that's an idea that took flight.
Oh, lol. Anyways, I guess the percussive maintenance didn't mess it up too much. It's not like she smells burnt toast or anything. Anywho, that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Ned from Ned's Tech. Let's like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will you?